Okay, so go and bring your cars. You go to insert, then pictures, then let's go to download so that you can see the cars. So you can use one car anyway, and you can use more cars. So I'm using this one. I think I downloaded Jeep that time. I don't know if it's no more there. It's no more there, or it's not downloaded to display. Then let me hold down my control key and select this one. So I'm still looking for another one. Okay, I only have the two there. Select. Now I have it. One. Where is the other one? Okay, let's bring this one. Let's reduce it. Let's reduce it. Okay, it's there. The other one is there. It isn't just covering, it's bigger than each other. So you're having one here. Then you're having one here. This one's been like this. This one's been like this. Okay. You see? Now bring this one, Control D. Then bring it down here. Rotate it. Sorry. Mirror it. Mirror it this way. And that one is there. Then you cannot bring another card too. Let me say Control D. That one is here. Control D. And that one is here. Then Control D. And that one is here. You know our express now? You know how many cars used to be on the road? This is funny. Let me choose crop. So I can crop this part. That thing is too high. So I'm cropping it. That space. I'm cropping the space out. So it will not disturb me for selecting. Alright. Yeah. Okay. This is to satisfy that the person whose name, photograph, and signature appear on the reverse. Now, can you see? So these cards are going this way. Now you can now change their colors. This one, come to format, another format, come to color. So put another color. Can you see that? So probably this one too, I'll change it to another color so that it will be different cards. I don't like that color. Let me change it. Okay, that one is okay, Abby. This one, Abby, like a white card. So let's change this one. Red, Abby. The red, I don't like the red. The way the red is. Black, Abby. This color ash. Now you can put another one here. Okay. So what I will do, if I say I should duplicate everything, it will not make sense. So what I will do, I can just duplicate this one, Ctrl D, and bring it down here. Then you mirror it. God bless you. Mirror it. Then why this one is here like this one can be here. So I don't want them to be at the same position. So it should be just your cars, they used to run faster than each other and on the road on the way. So let me bring this one, Ctrl D, mirror it. Let me bring this one, Ctrl D. Mirror it. I will send it to back. Send it to back. I think it's okay. So it's too much. Bring forward. Bring forward. Bring forward. Bring forward. Sorry. Aha. It's okay now. Aha. So let me just duplicate this one. Ctrl G. So the cars are moving on the road. So you can make it just 2 or 3 cars now. It's left to you. You can just make it 2 or 3 cars. The cars are moving on the road. So now the last thing now is this thing. But this sky, is it cloudy enough? If it's not cloudy enough, you can go and bring that cloud. Let me insert and see. Let's see how that cloud will be. Picture. Insert. Where's my picture? Insert. Okay, pictures. Then cloud. Let me locate that cloud. Like you did not download that cloud.
You wanted to download it, then it says sky.
Okay. Let's leave it that way. So this cloud is just to blend with this thing. You can bring that sharp color cloud that would like the sky cloud. Does it want to rain or something like that? So now select all of these ones. I can use my shift key to select them all because it may be hard to select without selecting any other thing. So I'm using my shift key. Yeah. Okay. Let me delete to see whether I selected them all. Okay, see, I didn't select this one. So these are the things you need to be doing to know where you can be confirming your this thing. Control Z to undo. So what I will do, I will remove this one. I'll remove this one. Let me reselect. I select this one. Then 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 I select this one. So now let me delete to know if I selected them all. Okay, good enough fine. Abi? Now go back to come to animation. Now click here to see more animation. Then click on motion. Click on motion effect. Under motion effect, you will see the symbol left. Left. Can you see the left there? Okay, this is exit. Sorry, I went to choose exit. Animation. Animation effect. This is exit. I need motion. Motion. Okay, yeah. So you see left. Let's go down. See left, see right. So this is to go left. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Don't deselect it, yo. If you deselect it, you may not. Let me click on animation pane. Animation pane so that I can always play there. Let's play again. So now go to animation, then another animation, then click on say set the duration. No, say it should start automatically. Start with previous, then choose duration. Select it. Okay, come to this place. This where you selected everything here. Select it. Then click on start with previous. Then click on timing. Under timing, say it should be repeated maybe 10 times. Like let's say like the movement, the thing is moving. It's moving. And that's how it's continue moving, then you'll be seeing different thing, different frame of going. Then how many seconds? How fast do you want it? Then I want it like 2 seconds. Then okay. Then let me play. You see? You see that it's going back. It's going back. So that is only one thing they will design on, that they will not multiply it, multiply. It will not be as if the thing is continuously. Hmm? Now let's do the same thing here. But for this, we need to drag them out so that you see the arrow of the effect. Drag them out so that the car can move forward more. So I'm selecting it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. Now let's play. Now there's a mistake in the dragging now. Hmm? I've mixed it up. So that is why let me just undo. Now let me play. Let me just leave it that way first. So I can now pull looping. Looping will now begin to multiply it. Let me shift this one a bit. Okay. This one, let me bring it forward. Format, bring forward, or bring to front. Sorry, Sangi. And I did not save it, so it's not awful. Don't awful, I don't save this one. If I quickly